this is the machine which we have sended you. Now we have connected here is the power plug, this is a foot pedal, there is a portion, there is a metal portion, here we have connected it for holding this roll. There is a two things here we have attached. Now there is a plate, you have to adjust it. Here is the plate, you have to fix by the bolt. Now you have to give this terminal from here. You can see that, sir. Power plug, foot pedal, this portion, there is a portion, you have to hold the rod, and there is a portion for holding this for going straight. Now this is a on off button, this is a switch for this one, this for is a counting 0, this is a manual mode, this is a automatic mode. Manual, foot pedal will not work it like that, foot pedal will not work it. In manual you have to check it. Here is a foot pedal in which machine will work. Here is there is a speed setting. For the F is for the foot pedal, green light. D for the manual. D is for the this one, D value you have to check in the manual. This is a up and down, you have to only this 1 2 3 4 5 you have to use it. Okay, now we are putting in the applicator. You have to see it, how to adjust it. You have to fix his here volt. Then for the manual mode you have to lightly down it. Then you have to check it that it is fixed or not. If it is moving you have to tight light. This is this bolt is for the load setting. If the crimping is coming light, so you have to downward portion, downward for load is increasing, upward portion, downward is reducing, downward load is reducing, upward load is going decrease. Now we have to set the applicator. Now I am giving you how to fix the terminal. You have to insert the here. There is a portion. 1 minute. 1 minute. There is a finger portion you have to put and you have to do it. So then you have to do a terminal. At the finger point you have to reduce lighter, and now in the manual mode you have to lightly increase it. Here is the portion. Here you have to your terminal will be here for the cutting. There is a knife cutter here. This will cut. So you should have to check that your cutting portion will come in this gap. Now we are checking in the manual mode. If the load is perfect, here is the load. You have to check the load. If the less, so then you have to open this bolt and you have to increase lightly. If too much, so you have to open this bolt and reduce it and then tighten it. Every time if you have any time tight and loose, you have to bolt tight this. Otherwise, at the time of punching, it will move upward. So you have to tighten it. Again we are checking. करना मैनुअल में ही करना एक बार. We are checked in the manual portion, this one and this one. Now we are giving in the punching mode. पंच करना. Again you can see that the edge is perfect cutting. Okay sir, this is the machine. Thank you.